Well, I just want you to all to know what a beautiful job that David did for us in representing his company, installing a sink that we had. And it was a more difficult installation, or could have been, because our counter was warped. And so he found a way to make it level, and it's just perfect. And I can't tell you how thrilled I am to have such high quality work and high quality service. So please remember that when you need work done, plumbing or some form of installation like this, please call them. I think you'll be very pleased. Thank you.